Good evening, magandang gabi po. Today, I was preparing our Tagalog lesson number 3, and I was researching for materials on cultural differences. I think in truly learning a new language, having a good understanding of the cultural background of the language really helps. Then I came about the recently concluded Miss World 2024, which took place in Mumbai, India. The venue, Geo World Convention Center, looks amazing. And by the way, special shout out to my Indian viewers. Mahal ko kayo. Also, congratulations to Miss Czech Republic who won the Miss Universe 2024 crown. I love her pitch to the Shark Tank India on how she advocates the education of children around the world. So the controversy is that Meghan Young fixed the hair of Miss Lesego Chombo, Miss Botswana, during the top 4 finals Q&A. Let's have a look at some clips. This is Miss Botswana being called for her turn to answer, and notice the wisp of hair over her forehead. I couldn't find an HD recording yet, but you can see faintly the strands of hair. Here's a screenshot. This gesture from Meghan garnered a lot of negative and angry comments on the internet, especially from Miss Botswana's fans. I don't know Meghan Young personally, but as a fellow Filipino, I could surmise that there was no ill intent from her. Actually, this isn't the first time she did that. The other occasion was just last year when Meghan Young also hosted a local pageant in the Philippine South at Sultan Kudarat. She also fixed one of the top 5 candidates' hair. Pretty similar, right? There was no uproar at that time as we are all Filipinos. What Meghan Young did is a gesture as Filipinos are used to. We see it more as a gesture of care. On the flip side, I could see why Miss Botswana's fans had such a reaction. Some of them cited witchcraft and sabotage on Meghan's part. This criticism pretty much emanates from our cultural differences and social norms. Well, at least that is my humble opinion. In the Philippines, there's no superstition about touching one's hair. Also, personal space is sometimes only an inch away from your face, which personally, even I as a Filipino find it invasive. Well, to start with, I'm quite a private person and also an introvert, so oftentimes I need more than an arm's length of personal space. On the positive note, Meghan Young realized her mistake and apologized to Miss Lesego Chombo and her fans. Here is her post on Facebook.
Last night during the final, I fixed Lesego Chombo's Miss Botswana hair on stage. I wanted to offer a helping hand, but I failed to oversee the bigger picture. This could have caused distress during that moment. And I have been made aware that culturally, this is unacceptable. We have spoken privately last night at the hotel and I have apologized to Lesego in private. To those who witnessed the incident, I also want to apologize for any discomfort or confusion my actions may have caused. It was a thoughtless and disrespectful act, and I take full responsibility for it. I assure you that it was not my intention to invade personal space or make anyone feel uncomfortable. I deeply regret my actions and will strive to be more mindful and respectful in the future.
Miss Lesego Chombo, Miss Botswana, an equally graceful woman, has also responded positively, urging her fans to be kinder. What is your take on this? How big or small is your preferred personal space? According to a professor of psychology and neuroscience at the California Institute of Technology, our personal space is somewhere between 1.5 to 4 feet. The professor also cited other guidelines for our bubble space, like our intimate space, our social space, and our public space. Comment down below your thoughts, and I shall get back to creating to our lesson number 3. Till next time, kita kids, please like and subscribe.